Get informed. Stay informed. News 24/7.
Stay tuned this evening for Harwood. Harwood goes to the grocery store and gets hepatitis of the lip. Watch Harwood tonight at 7:22 p.m.
You're watching the ILC, the I Like Cheese Race Series.
Welcome to the ILC, the I Like Cheese Race Series. I'm your host, Chapman Films, and today we are going Merch Track Racing, the most dangerous track here at the ILCs. Cars will crash, cars might not finish, and cars will be destroyed. 2 cars going down the merge track. All right. The cars behind me are the cars that will be racing today. An orange 68 Camaro and a black and white and blue 69 Camaro. 2 Camaros. Camaro versus Camaro. Who will be the drivers of these Camaros? Well, let's first look at the orange Camaro. One of you could be the driver of the 68 Camaro. Remember, these are cars that are from the junkyard. Cars that Commissioner Sammy gets from Wolf 74 or his Aunt Carolyn. Cars they find at this thrift store. So remember, this is Junkyard Cheese.
Cheese. Oh my.
So let's go to the wheel and find out who the driver of this 68 Camaro will be. So we go to the wheel and we're going to find out who the driver of the 68 Camaro will be. And it's Wolf 74 coming off his first Friday night cheese win. So he is ready to win again. Alright, let's find out who the driver of this 69 Camaro will be. So let's go to the wheel and find out. So we go to the wheel and we're going to find out who the driver of the 69 Camaro will be. Oh my goodness, is it again? Yes, it is. It's Terry Hill. Terry Hill last year got 30 wins on the 2-lane merge track. So he is the king of merge track racing, but he's also the 2018 champion of the daily series, which is now the weekly series. So, all right, the wheel loves Terry Hill. Now let's go to the track. Here's today's rules. The cars are going to go down the front stretch all the way to the big turn, and then down the back stretch to the 3D Bot Maker merge. Get all your track accessories at 3dbotmaker.com, and then the cars are going to go around the loop, and the cars are going to have to cross the finish line where the checkered flags and big text the flagman is. The cars are going to have to go around there. Whichever driver wins 2 rounds will be today's winner. Alright, in lane 1 in that orange 68 Camaro is Wolf 74. And in lane 2 in that black and white and blue 69 Camaro is Terry Hill, the 2018 weekly, or back then daily series champion. Let's see how he does. Terry Hill is the king of 2-lane merge racing. He has 30 wins in his Mitsubishi Evo Lancer on the merge track. All his wins are on, those 30 wins were on the merge track. Whoa, Terry Hill! Oh, he didn't finish! He didn't cross the finish line. The big text, the flagman. And, Wolf 74 didn't make it past the merge. Oh, barely made it past the merge. My goodness, let's watch the replay. There goes Terry Hill passing Wolf 74, but he did not quite make it. All right, let's go to a commercial. We'll be right back.
That's Man Pams. Get your Man Pams at any beauty salon or hardware store.
Man pants, even we don't know what they're for. Man pants for men. Alright, we're back to driver switch lanes. Commissioner Sammy has announced these are cars from the junkyard, and if no one crosses the finish line, there'll be no winner today. We haven't had that in a long time. So they switch lanes. Tara Hill in lane 1 and Wolf 74 in lane 2. Both drivers needs to win this to stay alive. I have a bad feeling about this. Terry, oh, we didn't make it again! What a piece of junk these cars are. The drivers are fine, but Wolf 74 and Terry Hill are not advancing. My goodness.
Come and get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. Come and get your Chinese food. Everybody look at the toilet stool.
That is China Palace at 412 West Main here in Slapout, Oklahoma. If you bring your man pams, we give you free number 2, but it's still not good for you.
Leaderboard, everybody talking about leaderboard.
So Commissioner Sammy has announced there will be no winner. Terry Hill and Wolf 74 will not continue on to the finals in week 4. No fat track racing for them. They ain't got no fat track. Alright, stay tuned. In a couple days, you'll see the last Hot Dog City Seafood Hut time trials for June. Granted, we only had one this month, but we'll be running a couple cars, and whichever driver is the fastest for the Hot Dog City Seafood Hut time trials will advance to week 4. I'm your host, Chapman Films, and we'll see you guys next time. Maybe next time. Bye.
My bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts. Well, my bottom hurts 'cause I sat on the stool too long. 'Cause my bottom hurts.